So today we're traveling to Tuscany, Italy. Amazing. One of our customer favorite recipes, calorie smart, very quick and easy. This beautiful Tuscan creamy salmon with green beans. Come and join me. Let's start cooking. Peel and crush the garlic. Rinse the cherry tomatoes and spinach. Then chop the fresh basil and parsley. Grate the Parmesan. Boil the measured water and dissolve the stock cube in it. Heat a pan over a medium heat with a drizzle of oil. Once hot, add the salmon and fry for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until nicely browned on the surface. The salmon doesn't need to be cooked through at this point. Then remove the salmon from the pan and set it aside. Season with salt. Return the same pan to a medium heat with another drizzle of oil. Add the garlic, cherry tomatoes and stock. Cover with a lid, reduce the heat to low and simmer for 10 minutes or until the tomatoes start to break. Meanwhile, wash and trim the green beans. Cook the green beans in a pot of salted boiling water for 3 or 4 minutes or until tender. Drain once cooked. Now add the spinach, basil, parsley, cooking cream and a generous amount of black pepper to the pan. Bring to a simmer. Return the salmon to the pan and simmer for 3 or 4 minutes further until the salmon is cooked through and the sauce has thickened nicely. Then finally fold in the grated Parmesan. Serve the creamy salmon with the boiled green beans on the side. Enjoy, bon appétit! I hope you really enjoyed this journey with me. I for sure can't wait to tuck into this dish. The kitchen smells beautiful and I can just see the Parmesan melting on the fish. If you enjoyed this recipe and want to see more recipes like this, you'll find them here. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, but for now, bon appétit!